Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to make slow motion video in your AI plus smartphone. So friends, let's start the video. Friends, to make slow motion you have to go to the camera, and then friends you have to see here it is more option. When you just swipe right hand side, and here it is slow motion, tap on the slow motion. Now I am just clicking on this button, and you have to make a normal fast video, or you can make a normal video just like this, and just stop the video. And now you can see it is in the slow motion, and this is how you can do any video in slow motion. You can see how slow the video is. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.